Hello children, how are you all today? I hope children you are keeping fit and fine, taking good care of yourselves and taking all the precautions of keeping yourself safe in this corona pandemic. I hope you are not venturing outside and you are in your homes spending time with your families. Now children, in today's class we will learn about the use of capital letters and punctuation. So let us start. See children, now first we understand the meaning of the capitalization or the use of the capital letters. हम सभी ने कैपिटल लेटर्स को पढ़ा है और सबसे पहले हम कैपिटल लेटर्स ही लिखना शुरू करते हैं इन योर स्मॉलर क्लासेस, है ना. बट एज वी ग्रो एंड एज वी मूव टू द हायर क्लासेस हम लोग स्मॉल लेटर्स में लिखने लगते हैं. तो फिर हमने कैपिटल लेटर्स क्यों लिखना सीखा था? ज़्यादातर तो हम स्मॉल में ही लिखते हैं. सो सी चिल्ड्रन, हियर आई विल एक्सप्लेन वेयर एंड हाउ वी यूज द कैपिटल लेटर्स. सो children, we use the capital letters when you want to show the reader that the particular word is of special importance. That is not a normal word. उसमें एक special importance है. That word is special. Now there are some rules for doing this. Let us see what these rules are. Now see children, the first rule is that we use the capital letters at the beginning of a sentence. जब भी हम कोई sentence start करते हैं then we use the capital letter. Small letter से नहीं start करेंगे. We start writing with the capital letter. Second rule is for names and places. हम लोगों ने proper nouns पढ़े थे. प्रॉपर नाउन्स, कॉमन नाउन्स, है ना. तो जब भी हम कभी भी प्रॉपर नाउन्स को यूज़ करते हैं एंड वी आर राइटिंग द प्रॉपर नाउन्स, दैट इंक्लूड्स द नेम्स ऑफ पीपल, नेम्स ऑफ प्लेसेस, इम्पॉर्टेंट बिल्डिंग्स, मॉन्यूमेंट्स, है ना, फेस्टिवल्स, योर डेज ऑफ द मंथ, योर स्पेशल नेम्स ऑफ द होली बुक्स. So all these are the proper nouns. So we write the proper nouns by starting them with the capital letter. Then we are writing for days like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. इन सबको जब हम लिखते हैं then we start writing with the capital letters. Festivals also like Holi, Diwali, इन सबको हम जब लिखते हैं we write it with the first letter as capitals. Then we use it for I. जब भी हम अपनी बात करते हैं, the I is never the small I. I is always the capital I. I am going to the market. तो capital I. I will purchase fruits and vegetables. फिर से हम I लिखेंगे तो हम again we will make it in capital letters. I अगर sentence के बीच में भी आएगा then also it will be written in the capital letters, never in the small letters. Then we use for titles also like Mr, Mrs and Doctor. जब हम बताते हैं ना, हम डॉक्टर को जाते हैं अपॉइंटमेंट लेने when we are not well, so the doctor name starts with DR. DR जो डॉक्टर होता है, the D is capital. हम लोग मम्मा पापा को जब नाम से we write a card or something तो बोलते हैं ना Mr and Mrs वर्मा. So जो Mr and Mrs होता है उसका जो M होता है that is again written in capital letters. So these are the rules which we are following for the capital letters. Now I have a small activity for you children. Can you recognize these famous places? Any guesses? ये first वाली picture को देखिए. What is this? Yes, very good children. This is the Taj Mahal. And see, ताज महल में हम लोग ने क्या किया है? कैपिटल लेटर्स को यूज किया है. टी कैपिटल है, एम भी कैपिटल है. यस, व्हाई? बिकॉज इट्स अ प्रॉपर नाउन. नाउ वेयर इज ताजमहल? एनी गेसेस? आगरा. राइट, ताजमहल इज इन आगरा. आगरा इज अ प्लेस. अगेन इट इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन. तो सी, आगरा का ए इज रिटन इन कैपिटल लेटर्स. नाउ यू सी द सेकेंड पिक्चर. इन द सेकेंड पिक्चर यू कैन सी here the India Gate. India Gate में देखो I कैपिटल से है and gate is also written with capital letters. Why? Because they are proper nouns. Now the second thing I want to know is India Gate कहाँ पर है? Any guesses from you all? It's in New Delhi. So New Delhi में see it's a proper noun, so N is written in capital letter and D is also written in capital letters. Now moving further, children, I hope now you can understand clearly that a proper noun like a person's name begins with a capital letter. A proper noun like a place also begins with a capital letter. So this is clear. Now let's see. You can identify him. Who is he? Right, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was our ex-president and he was a very great person. He was a nuclear scientist also. And see, we write his name with this doctor because he was a scientist, he was a doctor, and the D here is capitalized. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So A here is all written in the capital letters. Okay, we all love to watch cricket, है ना? Who is this cricket player? बता सकते हैं? He is विराट कोहली, our captain, Indian cricket team captain. विराट कोहली. तो इसका भी देखिए V is capital and K is written. सरनेम भी हम लोग कैपिटल लेटर से ही लिखते हैं. और ये सुंदर सी डॉल, ये कौन सी डॉल है? दिस इज अ स्पेशल डॉल. ऐसी कोई डॉल थोड़ी है. यस, दिस इज द बारबी. सो बारबी का भी देखिए B इज कैपिटलाइज्ड. B को हम लोग कैपिटल लेटर से लिखते हैं. सी दिस. नाउ लेट्स मूव फर्दर. नेक्स्ट वी कम टू द पंक्चुएशन मार्क. नाउ फुल स्टॉप चिल्ड्रन. स्टॉप. स्टॉप मतलब ये सेंटेंस यहाँ पे खत्म हो गया है और अब नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस शुरू होने वाला है. सो वी नीड टू पॉज, वी नीड टू स्टॉप. फुल स्टॉप मतलब स्टॉप. सो अ फुल स्टॉप इज यूज्ड एट द एंड ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. ओके, every time you see a full stop you must stop, count in your mind 1 2 3 and then start the next sentence. So you have to remember this in mind that I must stop at the end of the sentence. Now see, a full stop is mostly used at the end of the declarative sentence or a statement that is considered to be complete. जब हमको लगता है कि हमारा sentence complete है, then we use the full stop. Now let us see some examples. My cat is black. Complete sentence है and we have written a full stop at the end. और देखो my cat is black में my जो है वो कैपिटल लेटर से लिखा है हमने. Another example, dogs are cute. Dogs are cute. Yes. So see D and C. Dogs में D is capitalized और cute के बाद हमने full stop लगा दिया. Next we come, he is 8 years old. Again it's a complete sentence, so a full stop at the end. And the last one, the sky is blue. So over here also the statement is complete and we have put a full stop. और ये सारे sentences में the sentences are beginning with the capital letters. Next we come to the punctuation mark, that is question mark. Now ये question mark जो है ये कब लगाते हैं? जब हम किसी से question पूछते हैं. Okay, especially when we are asking a question to somebody, we use the question mark. Like, when is your birthday? This is not a normal sentence. ये question है, so we will put a question mark there. Now some commonly asked questions are, what is your name? How old are you? पूछते हैं ना? So we are putting the question marks at the end of the sentence. What are you doing? Are you happy? ये सब हम लोग पूछते हैं ना? So these are all the question marks when we are putting, because all these statements are the questions. Now let us punctuate the following. Is this your house? Have you done your homework? है ना, इसको हम लोग को पंक्चुएट करना है. तो हम लोग कैसे करेंगे? इन सेंटेंसेस के बाद में we will be writing the question mark. Where do you live? Okay, another one. Have you eaten your tiffin? Children, now here is an exercise for you. Let's capitalize. over here the sentences have been given to you. You have to start writing them with the capital letters. So this exercise you will do in your copies. You can do it for your practice. Okay children, thank you and have a nice day.